Hi everyone, my name is Alibek Rahmatulayev. You can call me just Ali. You are on our YouTube channel, Nef Real Estate, when we are talking about real estate market, international real estate market, and meets with the international real estate specialist. Today, I would like to share with you a brief information regarding the youngest Emirate, Ras Al Khaimah. Why it must be so interesting, why a lot of investors are moving to Ras Al Khaimah from Dubai. They're looking for the new project, what you can to invest, to resale, or give it for the short-term and long-term rent, which the few reasons I will share with you for today, and will give some additional information regarding the project, what we have for right now in Ras Al Khaimah, and what we are waiting for the future few months and the new launches exactly in the same locations. So for right now, just would like to give you some brief information regarding the reasons why you should need to get more focusing and get more interest in Ras Al Khaimah projects. So what we have for right now is just a stable increasing price in real estate and the holiday home in Ras Al Khaimah. The first main reason why a lot of investors are focusing on Ras Al Khaimah for right now, it's because of the new launch and the start beginning of the construction and the first resort and casino in Middle East, which will be covered by a brand from United States and Wien, and it will be called Wien Marjan Resort, which in total will include more than 1,200 apartments in the hotel, and it will be one of the biggest casino in the Middle East. So actually, it will be the first one. It's just the previous short history. This information, it was like already 6 months ago, and it was launched officially almost like 5 or 4 months ago. And just 2 months ago, they already registered the official brand and the name of the hotel, which is called Wien Marjan Resort. And almost like 2 weeks ago, they just started the construction for right now. So it's on the plan, and it goes step by step, and it will be constructed over in the end of 2026. So before official over of the construction, it always very interesting for the investment to make some, let's say, easy money to invest in real estate in Ras Al Khaimah. Because of the second reason, it's Ras Al Khaimah still have some free plots, free space on the first line, which is the sea view and the skyline view, which is uncomparable with the situation in Dubai, which is very hard to find some free space, free location in Dubai on the first line. Because of the price, it will be a double X5 expensive compared with what we have for right now in Ras Al Khaimah. So the second reason in Ras Al Khaimah, it's almost 62 kilometers of beach made, and one of the longest beach area in Emirate. The third reason is just announcing the create of free economic zone for the crypto companies who will be planning to move their own business with the crypto in Ras Al Khaimah, which is also will get high demand for investors. And the fourth reason is almost like as a news, official news, that it will be construction of the Nobu Hotel on Al Marjan Island, which then I will show you exactly on the map where the project will be exactly located in the casino and other projects under construction. So the expecting investment, return of investment for right now, it's 6 to 7%, but in standard. But I'm more than sure it will gonna increase up to from 10 to 15% for the next 1-2 years. And short information regarding the tourists. who are mostly visiting Ras Al Khaimah in 2022. What we can get a lot of statistic. There is at first place for tourists from Russia, second from Kazakhstan, and from the Europe, mostly from the United Kingdom and Germany. And the fifth place is from the tourists from the India. As I mentioned before, that Ras Al Khaimah is a touristic location, and the hotel are open the service, working with the service with the ultra all-inclusive, the same like in Turkey. That's why that Europeans and the tourists from the CIS countries, Russia, Belarus, Ukraine, Kazakhstan, like to visit this kind of areas. So regarding the statistic, there is visitors in 2022 was more than 1 million tourists, and the government is planning to increase amount of tourists until 2030 to 3.5 million tourists per year. That's why they are planning to, they are not planning, they are already investing a lot of money to new hotels, to infrastructure, to build new malls, medical centers, schools, not only for the tourists, only for them who are planning to relocate to exact location, because it's more calm, more clean regarding the ecology, not so warm comparing Dubai and Abu Dhabi because of the mountains. And so what other reasons will plan to increase the price in Ras Al Khaimah? It's a casino, of course. Increases international and local demand will increase the touristic flow. It's all because of the casino. Will provide job for local and expat. So the company of Win Resort, and they're planning to hiring more than 5,000 people in service who will get take care of the tourists and the guests who will visit the hotel in the beginning of 2027. So the first project, what I like to share with you with little information, it's a project in Hayat Island, which is a little bit far away from the casino, almost takes 10 minutes by car, more calm, also location on the first line with a direct access to the beach. And by I received the information, the beach will serviced by Nikki Beach Resort, which is serviced in Dubai. So they also plan and construct the two residence, Nikki Beach residence, and it will be another project by Armani, which is Armani Villas. A little bit history regarding the price. The first phase of two buildings was launched 8 months ago, and the starting price for studio started from 110,000 US dollars. For the second phase, which is launched 2 months ago, like 2.5 months ago, the price started from 140,000 US dollars. And like 3-4 days ago, there was phase number 3, which is developer launched 2 new residential buildings, which is studio 1 and 2 bedroom apartment. And the starting price was already for 160K US dollars, which is the project was sold out in 3 hours. It's a new record break in Ras Al Khaimah. That's why it shows fastest growth interest for the investors who are looking for something affordable and for more chance to price to get increase in a few years in the future. So that way there are a lot of investors are moving from Dubai to Ras Al Khaimah. We also expecting the few new new project in the same location. So if you are getting interested, please click the link below, send me the request, and I will check and will send you the best offer in this project. So the second one is a ready to move project, but more than 5 and 6 years old buildings, which is located close to the first line to the sea, but in a little bit close to construction site of Win Casino Resort. It's a few buildings, 4 buildings with studios 1 and 2 bedroom apartment. For right now, 1-bedroom apartment still has availability from starting price from 200,000 US dollars, which is good for short-term rent and for those who would like to apply residential visa, because actually the developer can provide this kind of service for free if you are purchasing the apartment directly from the developer. So they can provide you the residential visa for you and your member of your family. The third project is an off-plan project, which is for right now only few units still available, but 95% of the units is almost sold out. But we have a few units in 1-bedroom with the starting price 195,000 US dollars with the payment plan, which you can choose few options for the payment plan and the post-handover payment plan. That if you have some additional information and would like to know more, you can leave your comment, and I will just send you the direct presentation when you can check and check the link and will receive the all information regarding the project. So it almost also located close to Al Marjan Island in Al Hamra village, which is very close to casino site. Next project, it's already built and it's not a new project, almost like more than 10-year, almost 11-year-old project, which is look like Egyptian pyramid. 6 buildings, 3 buildings are serviced by Rixos Hotel, managed by Rixos Hotel, and three buildings are residential buildings, which is sold directly from the developer. Developer still has the availability on studio apartments and 1- and 2-bedroom apartment, which is starting price for 200,000 US dollars, and actually the same program with the residential permit for the 12 years as well. Apartment on the first line of the sea, location a little bit far away from the casino, close to Intercontinental Hotel and Anantara Hotel in Hayat Island. So there is a off-plan project will be constructed in the last quarter of 2024 with the few options of the payment plan, and starting price for 1-bedroom is 250,000 US dollars. So expecting increasing of the price for the 1 to 2 year will be approximately from 50 to 25%. Also in Hayat Island, the developer can offer the project on the back side of the residential buildings. It's also will be the direct access to the water, because it will be like it's already constructed the canal. It's the same like in marina, with the direct access from your own villas and townhouse. They also can offer ready-to-move townhouses and villas, and off-plan project with the payment plan. So for right now, they have availability for 2- and 3-bedroom townhouses. For 2-bedroom, the starting area is 181 square meters. And the price almost starting from 540,000 US dollars with the payment plan, which you can choose. That more like a famous payment plan, more interesting payment plan for the investors, it's a 50% during construction and the 50% on post handover, when you can get the keys, get it for the rent, and still the payment for additional the last 50% for the last 3 years. Next projects is more like a private, more luxury project, which will be located exactly in Al Marjan Island, and with the opposite side of the casino, with the direct view to the casino. There it will be the water taxi, the boats, which can get under water from your own staying apartment to the casino. It will be goes like a once in a 30-minute per day. The developer is offering for right now townhouses and villas as well, and residential apartment. The launch will planning on summer on 1st of July. So for right now, they are collecting the expression of interest, which is for 1-bedroom cost 100,000 dirham, and for 2-bedroom 200,000 dirham. Very interesting project because the price is gonna increase very fast. They already moved the official launch day 3 times because of the price. Because, like for example, 4 months ago, the price per square meter was 5.3 thousand US dollars, but for right now it's already 5.8. So its launch didn't officially yet, but after it will gonna increase close to 6.2, 6.3 for sure. It will gonna start to increase until the casino will hand over in the end of 2026. So the last one is what we have for right now, what actually Ras Al Khaimah can offer for right now. It's a villas on the first line. Also very interesting project constructed by the government developer who can also provide the residential visa for you and the member of your family. They can offer the 4 and 5 bedroom villas. It's separate villas with the starting area 455 square meters, which is very interesting for the resale and for the rent, because this kind of locations is more private, more unique, and there is not any other the same location in Ras Al Khaimah like this one. So the developer actually can provide the payment plan, flexible payment plan with the 50% during construction and 50% and 3 years post handover. So for additional information, please send me the request and I will send you the all information regarding the project. And then next, I would like to show you on the map where the project directly located and where the Ras Al Khaimah directly located compared with the other Emirates. This is the actually United Arab Emirates with the capital of Abu Dhabi, Dubai, in Ras Al Khaimah. So brief information regarding investment in Ras Al Khaimah. Everybody knows that the politics and strategy of the UAE is choose some kind of reason for each city, give a reason for the investors to come and invest in direct location. So in Dubai, all we know it's a free zone, more like a 50 free zone, good area for the excellent area for the making the business, to open the company, to for the tourists as well. They're making the expo on the last year, the touristic visitors and tourism are increased. They just show the statistic of the visitors is like more than 15 million in 2022. And this amount of the people will be increased, of the tourists, also the population will be increased. Abu Dhabi, there is two strategic with the culture, which is will be in Sadiyat, the famous museums, worldwide museums like Louvre, Guggenheim under construction and others. And the second reason is Yas Island, everything with the entertainment, F1 racing, Ferrari World. They just opened the one of the biggest, SEA World in Yas Island. There's everything with the entertainment. So the Ras Al Khaimah, they choose the to construct one of the first casino gambling area in the Middle East, in the Al Marjan Island. So there is a more clever statistic to control investment market in the UAE. So I will show you the direct location of the construction site of the casino. So it will be over here, actually. There is a area for the project, what I showed on the brochure. Villas and the residential apartment will be constructed over here with the boat taxi direct to Win Resort. And the new project will be constructed over here. It's like a more than boutique project, but I have information. You can send me the request. I will share the information with you as well. Additional news, which will be other side, few project by MR. Vida and Address will be constructed over here, and Nobu Resort. But nobody knows where exactly, but somewhere in Al Marjan, but I think somewhere here in this side. Also, few hotels already opened in Al Marjan, so it's Rixas Bab Al Bahar, Waldorf Astoria, Moving Peak, DoubleTree by Hilton. So Hilton Resort, it's the biggest hotel in Ras Al Khaimah, which is more than 3,000 apartment rooms for the guests. They are taking the first place on the holiday home in Ras Al Khaimah. So the next location is Al Hamra village. What I just showed on the brochure, there is the two island, which is the villas, separate villas, or four and 5 bedroom, starting price from 455 square meters. And there is some inside information. The developer will launch the new project, which will be located exactly here. It will be a residential apartment with the direct view to the sea and to the backside, which also very beautiful view. So we're still waiting the information, and it will be something interesting with the affordable, I think, more affordable price, and the price was going to increase because of the close location and the view to the casino site. Next project, which is mentioned on the brochure, it's a project in Hayat Island, which is located exactly here. There is a Hayat Island. There is a marina and a few hotels. First, it's an Intercontinental already opened. There's a full of the tourists over here. And on June or July, we're expecting the official opening of Anantara. So on the back side of the area, there is ready to move townhouses villas from 2 to 6 bedroom villas and 2 bedroom townhouses. And there is like an extension of the latest phase of townhouses and villas with the starting price for $540,000 with the payment plan. And the front side, there is a direct location with the access to the beach, residential apartments, and the Armani villas will be constructed over here. Another building on this location, but nobody knows it will be hotel or serviced apartment. And the few project by Nikki Beach residents will be located somewhere here. We are still waiting some official information from the developer. So the infrastructure already constructed. The left side island is already constructed. The villas and townhouses. There is will be the marina, the huge mall located over here, kindergartens, schools, universities, like a few big malls already constructed. Everything for the comfortable staying, for comfortable life. And almost it takes 45 minutes by road to get to the Dubai airport, DXB, and for the business to the business bay, it takes almost 1 hour. So actually, there is a very close location to the mountains, which is a lot of entertainment location. It's like a Jabal Jays, camping, horse riding, hiking, like a lot of beautiful locations with the nature, when you can spend time with your friends or with your family. Yes, so there is a short brief information regarding Ras Al Khaimah. If you have some additional information, some additional question, you can leave your comment or send me the link. Click the link and send me the request. I will share with all additional information with you. And thank you for being with us. So please click the likes, click the bell to don't need me to miss our latest project in the UAE. Actually, we are focusing in all of Emirates and have a lot of huge database of developers and know everything regarding the new projects, which is can be really helpful and can provide full support to find the best offer in UAE. Thank you very much and have a nice day.